Ayan, gawin lang natin 60. Ayan, pag nag-60 na. Ayan. Oh, ilang days na lang. Ang bilis, no? Diyos me, 2 months na lang. Pasko na naman. Tapos 2026. 2025. 2024 pa lang ngayon. Mag-birthday ka muna.
Who birthday today?
Aisa said she's having a birthday.
Oh yeah.
Oo nga, ang bilis. Ang ikli ng buhay, no? Diyos ko, ingat-ingat kayo dyan, guys. Don't. A. B. Oo, grabe.
A, B.
Kaya ingat guys. Pray talaga. Alam mo, powerful ang prayers. Pray talaga guys. Huwag kayo mawalan ng ng prayers kay God talaga. Yun lang ko, saving grace din guys. Yung prayers lang talaga ang ko ngayon. Pinangahawakan ko. Ayan. Pati mga bata, mga anak nyo, ganun. Yun talagang pampahaba ng buhay yung kay God. Pati yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Powerful talaga yun. Yung iba kasi hindi na nagpa-powerful.
Today is my birthday.
Today is your birthday. Oh, look.
Dad, I want to happy birthday to Lata.
Can you say happy birthday to Yeah.
Dad, today's my birthday.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Eva.
Oh, Eva. Okay, you need to dance with Eva then. While you're singing happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, tell daddy. Okay, tell daddy.
Alexa, sing happy birthday again.
Okay, dance. Oh, dance muna si Eva.
Okay, let's do this.
No, dance not. Carry mo na siya. Carry mo na siya.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa! Oh,
I want to do that again.
you wanna do it again?
Lata, you take that. Lata, sing happy birthday.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ooh. Wow.
Mom, try to eat your happy birthday. Sure do. Yeah, sure do. To you.
Don't.
Yes.
Don't throw it.
It will be on my birthday. With you, see my birthday. Why are you trying?
Happy birthday to you.